everybody, welcome back. So y'all are coming shopping with me today at Aldi, and I didn't film myself today because I'm not gonna lie, I'm having some weird hair days, but I didn't want that to stop from y'all joining me today. So let's get started. So off to the right here, they've got all these dried fruits, the dried apricots, the dried fruit melody, the mango's my favorite, and they've got mixed berry and blueberry. And y'all make sure you watch to the end of the video because I'll show you everything I picked up today with the prices too. And I'm seeing these ice cream cones. They got a box of 24. I believe it was $1.29. And then waffle cones. They've got a 12 pack of waffle cones. Those look really good for $1.59. That's not bad. Got some graham crackers, the honey and cinnamon for 88 cents. And they've got mucho chocolate. Look at all this chocolate. Various kinds. Ooh, they've got dark chocolate sea salt caramels. Those look good. $3.19. Not bad. Fancy chocolate. Dark chocolate, coconut, almonds, milk chocolate, sea salt caramels. A big bag of peanut butter cups. That looks yummy. And I wanted to share with you guys these brioche buns. These are the best. We usually have these with our turkey burgers, and they are so good. And over the last little while, they've come out with the brioche hot dog buns. I haven't tried those, but I'm sure they're just as good. And then I'm noticing over here they've got the brioche buns with sesame seeds, so those look good too. And then this caught my eye. It's a big bag of sourdough bread. That looks really good. It's only $2.99. And then down here they have these sandwich skinnies, 110 calories. They've got the multigrain and a whole wheat for only $1.49. And aren't these so much fun? Can't you just see like having one of these out by the pool? They've got the watermelon, and then they've got the pineapple, which is super cute. I just love these. Aren't these so much fun? And then up here, squeeze the day paper plates and napkins for 89 cents. And this is a really pretty casserole dish. It says savor. I just love the green. And up here they've got drawer organizers for $9.99. They've got different ones for makeup and hair brushes. These are really nice. This is a bamboo dish brush for $2.99. That's nice. They've got these shower mats. These are only $4.99 in blue and clear. They've got these electric fans. Now my camera is a little out of focus, but they were $14.99. They've got the white ones and the black ones. They've got 4 different speeds. These are nice too. And this is a like lounging pillow. That looks really comfy. If you like me to sit up to read in bed, that's $14.99. And then they've got like all these flashcards, like little learning stuff, numbers, alphabets for $1.99, little learning books. They've got one of those floor mats you can put together for $12.99. And then I'm seeing this storage container that is collapsible and it zips, which is really cool. And if you get multiple ones, they all zip together. They stack on top and zip together. That's neat. And then here's some fun little lunch bags. They've got different prints and colors. These are fun, little thermal lunch bags. They are $6.99. Here's some organic coconut oil for $3.99. And here is the clarified butter. This is new to me. I'm not familiar with this, but it's $6.48. I'm not sure what that compares to other stores. Everything bagel seasoning, that's cool. $1.95. This stuff's awesome. Seasoned salt, we put that on our french fries. $1.79. We've got all these different spices and different seasonings. 69 cents. This is savory barbecue dry rub, $3.99. Protein oat pancake and waffle mix, $2.99. That looks nice and hearty. Huh. And then off to the right, they've got just your regular buttermilk mix, and that's $1.49. They've got all kinds of various cereals. Usually their cereals are under $2. We've got granola up here, oats and honey, $2.99. That's a pretty big bag. We've got banana nut, and then fruit and nut, $1.69. Oatmeal, breakfast bars. We've got all kinds of different flavors. Down here they've got these shakes. These are really good. It's a 6-pack. I've had these before. They have good flavor. It's a 6-pack for $4.66. And then if you're unaware, they've got the protein powders in vanilla and chocolate for $13.99. All of their protein bars are really good. And here is our favorite, the queso dip. It's so yummy. It's only $1.95, so I'm going to go and grab 2 of those. Gotta have some chips to go with it. These I thought were cool. This is like the restaurant style tortilla chips, and that's a pretty big bag. And I believe they were $3.49. They've got the taco seasoning, regular and a low sodium, for only 29 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of those. And this soup is one of my favorites. It's chicken and dumpling. And this looked so interesting. Tomato basil. I love tomato basil soup, and it's been a long time since I've had it. So I'm going to pick up a couple of these and try. That looks interesting. Slow cooked chicken noodle soup, $2.49. They've got all these boxed potato salads, various ones. Pasta salads, 99 cents. Shells and white cheddar. That looks really good. 89 cents. That would be a good side dish with one of your favorite meals. Angel hair and herbs. They've got this 12-pack of the half and half tea, half lemonade, half iced tea. And the Arizona green, the ginseng green teas. They have a 12-pack, $3.78. Got these peach teas. These are kind of similar to Snapple. They've got a 6-pack for $3.19. These little individual iced coffees in different flavors. You could always get a couple of these in the fridge to chill. $1.19 each. And then they've got these gyro sandwich kits. I thought this was interesting. It's $7.49. It comes with everything you need to make 5, it says 5 large sandwiches. That's in the freezer section. And they've got really good meats here. I love their pork chops. I usually get some of their pork chops. They're always really good, and the prices are really good too. And then they've got these Italian sausages. These look really good. $2.65. They've got some of the best cheese. They've got all kinds. Mozzarella, the goat cheese. All different styles and flavors. We've got crumbled blue cheese. $1.79. This is nice if you're having like a little gathering. You just need like little meat and cheese roll-ups. They've got little tray, $11.99. I've never seen this before. It's a soft cheese pepperoni marinara for $2.99. Alright, you guys, well, I'm finishing up at the store. I'm going to head back to the house now, and I will show you everything that I picked up today, along with the prices.
Okay, you guys, I'm back from Aldi, and I'm going to go ahead and go over everything I got, including the price, because that's something that y'all requested last time. So I'll go ahead and start on this side of the table. I went ahead and picked up some toilet tissue while I was there, and that was $6.45 for 12 rolls, and we like the 1,000 sheets per roll. And then I went ahead and picked up some Tall Kitchen trash bags. Those are $4.52. And I went ahead and stocked up on the sandwich bags too. Those were $1.45. And then down here I went ahead and picked up some nectarines. These were only $1.98. And the oranges, it's a big bag of oranges. Those were only $2.55. And then we've got the lemons here. Those were $2.69 for a big bag of lemons. And then I went ahead and picked up some onions. Those were $1.69. Then down here I've got a 3-pack of green bell peppers. Those were $1.79. And then over here I've got the movie theater popcorn. That was only $1.59. And then these are one of our favorite snacks to keep in the house. It's the peanut butter filled pretzels. And those are $3.29. And that's a pretty big bag. That'll last a while. And then of course in the back, I had to stock up on our sparkling waters. And I got lime, the passion fruit, and the tangerine. And as always, those are only $2.39 each. Went ahead and picked up some whole wheat bread. That was $1.08. And then I've got this Devil's Food Cake Mix, which was 95 cents. And I went ahead and picked up some chocolate frosting to go with that, and that was only $1.29. And then I'm gonna come over here to, this is one of my favorite soups. It's the chunky chicken and dumpling soup. I went ahead and picked up 2 of those. Those were $1.35. And if you have that with like a salad and maybe like a piece of bread, or that makes a good dinner. Went ahead and picked up some black beans. Those were 39 cents. A couple of things of olives. Those are 69 cents. And I went ahead and got the taco seasoning. They were out of this last time, so I went ahead and picked up a couple since they had it in stock. It's only 29 cents each. And we were running low on our spicy brown mustard, So I went ahead and grabbed one of those, 85 cents for the spicy brown mustard. And this I was really excited about. I couldn't resist. Tomato basil soup is one of my favorites, and I couldn't pass it up. They were $1.99 each. It's a pretty big can. It's 18.6 ounces. And it's organic, which is cool. So I'm excited to try that. I'll let you guys know what I think of that. This will be my first time trying this one. One of our favorites, the queso cheese dip. It's only $1.95 compared to some other grocery stores have it for about almost $4 for a jar. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then of course you gotta have some tortilla chips to go with that. Those are 89 cents for the bag. And then I got these white cheddar cheese crackers, one of my faves. They were $1.49. And I went and picked up some more of my classic roast coffee. I always like to have a backup for whenever I'm running low. Coffee was $4.73. And I wanted to show you guys these almonds. They are covered in cocoa. They are super good, really good, easy snack. These are $4.65. All right, you guys, well that covers what all we picked up from Aldi's today. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video.